AssetTiger makes it easy for you to create reports about your collection of assets. We've set up a few dozen options for how to do that, most of which are covered in the previous video about reports. But we also make it easy for you to customize a report, so you can include only the information you need in exactly the format you need. Under Reports, click Custom Reports. Here, you'll see a list of any and all custom reports that already exist. But to create a new report, just click New Report. What pops up is a standard AssetTag report, showing the icon, the AssetTag ID, the description, etc. But now we have the opportunity to create a custom report, and we do that by clicking Set Up Columns. On this page, you'll notice that each box represents a piece of information about an asset. If the box is checked, that information is included in the report. The table at the bottom of the page reflects those choices. For my customized report, I'd like to eliminate the asset photo, which is the icon related to each asset, and the status, which is the field that tells you if the asset is checked out or missing or broken, etc. So I uncheck those boxes. But what I would like to see in the report is from where the asset was purchased, so I check this box, and category, or what type of asset it is. I'm also interested in where the asset can be found pretty specifically, so I check Department, Location, and Site. You can use the table at the bottom to arrange the order of the columns in your report. For this report, one of the most important pieces of information is when the item was purchased, so I want to see that first. I click on Purchase Date and drag it to the first column. And I'd like to see Category last, so I click Category and drag that to the end. Once you've made all your decisions, click Apply Changes. And here's the report. As you can see, the first column shows us when the asset was purchased, and down the line you'll see all the other information we opted for. You can move through this report page by page, or you can sort the information with the arrows. If you want to see a report in this format again, click Save Report. Now we'll name the report, Purchase Date Asset Report. Now this report can be available for all the users to see, or just you. Click Save Report, and any changes you make to your assets in the future will be reflected in these reports. Take a look under More Actions. Here you can delete the report if you like. Here are two options for downloading the report, and you can also set up an automated report, which means you can have this report emailed to you anytime in the future, or set up a schedule so it's emailed to you periodically. While we're here, let's take a look at the search function. Click Search Criteria. Here are a variety of ways to search your collection of assets, and then generate a report from those search results. For example, let's search for the word furniture by typing it in this box. Click Generate Report. Now here we have all the assets that have the word furniture somewhere in their information. Naturally, this includes everything in the category of furniture and fixtures, but also things bought at National Business Furniture, regardless of if the asset is designated as furniture and fixtures. Let's search a little further. Let's look for assets that use the word furniture and that are located in our Brooklyn site only. Click Search Criteria again. Scroll through the sites to choose Brooklyn. Click Generate Report. And here's the report, a little smaller, only 10 assets. If you decide you'd rather include all of the sites again, you can click this little red X, which will eliminate this search term. And now we're back to just searching for the keyword furniture. Again, if you want to save this report, click Save Report. I'm calling this Furniture Report. I want all of the users to be able to see it. I click Save Report. Again, under More Actions, you can set up an automated report, download this report, or delete it entirely. I want to click Search Criteria one more time to show you the other ways that you can search. By keyword, site, and location. Category tells you what type of asset you're looking for. You can choose which departments, if they're assigned to any person in particular. Status tells you if the asset is available, broken, checked out, etc. Here's where you manage how the assets are grouped in this report. And here you can choose which dates, in a general category or quite specifically. This search yielded one result. Again, you can save this configuration as a report. You can set up an automated report, and you can download this report. With AssetTiger, you can configure these reports in pretty much any way you can imagine. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Our information is here under Help, Support, and Contact Us.